Go up, go. What?
It's shaped like a massive oval.
Yeah.
It's very
Massive.
big.
It's quite big.
And like Arabic letters inscribed on it.
Yes.
Very nice. Very futuristic.
Hello. Let's go and wave. Let's go wave. Gotta wave there.
We will see overseas Hope Wellbeing Center of Al-Wafa, the Hill Institute Research Lab, concept cars and robots. Pioneers, we have digital digital eye and should like to welcome you. Please direct your attention to the screen behind.
My name is Aya. I'm a digital president of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the I would be your guide. The worlds that you would encounter are not predictions, they are challenges. Your task is to explore and return with discoveries that can help the present. My intelligence can take in many forms, from light to sound. You'll find me most often as my avatar. Isn't she cute? Your journey begins in a very special place in time, Hamad bin Rashid Spaceport, February 2071. The launch is about to start. Follow me.
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, everyone. Before we start the launch, everyone is claustrophobic, was guarding the flashlight, uncomfortable being in the tight spaces. Please let me know we are our.
It's a spacecraft.
Please move it. Thank you. Take a few more steps to the center, please. Please move it. Thank you. All right, strollers, fine.
This is your captain.
No flashlight.
You all
Please turn off.
expecting a spacecraft journey. Please prepare for launch in just a few minutes.
Now look around you. The view is different. All right, soon you're going to see Orbital Space Station Hope on the window right here at the center of this window.
سيداتي وسادتي، إذا نظرت من الفضاء خارجا إلى الجانب الأيمن من الكبسولة ستلمحون محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل. أليست جميلة؟ لقد استلمت محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل التحكم لتنفيذ عملية الالتحام النهائية. أسعدني جدا أن أقود رحلتكم اليوم. استمتعوا بهذا المنظر gentlemen, if you look off into space on the starboard side of the cabin,
Like a bit. It's like a bit. Small.
Everyone look up at the center window, please. Center window, out top. Thank you, everyone. We have now arrived at your destination. Please step this way. It was lovely having all of you.
Welcome, everyone. You are now standing at the deck of Space Station Home, 600 kilometers above Earth. Let's get to know the neighborhood. Follow me.
Welcome, pioneers. You ready to space? Please follow me using both walkways. We are going to gather around this beautiful monument of Oasis Home. Now, pioneers, the artifacts you see are very fragile, so please do not touch. You may take as many pictures as you like to share with your friends back on Earth. Now, Aya is going to lead the orientation today in both English and Arabic to take roughly around 5 minutes, so kindly pay attention to learn more about the Soul Project. Aya?
هذا السطح الرائع هو محطة الفضاء المدارية أمل، وهي أكبر محطة مدارية صنعها الإنسان ومن أعظم إنجازات البشرية. This magnificent edifice, orbital space station home, is the largest orbiting structure ever built and one of humanity's greatest achievements. للمحطة وظائف متعددة، أهمها أنها مركز القيادة لمشروع نظام الطاقة الشمسية سول. سول هو الاسم الذي أطلقناه على المشروع العالمي المشترك لتزويد الأرض بالطاقة الشمسية المستمدة من الفضاء. The station serves many functions, but its most important is as the command center
1,034 kilometers per hour. You will see the pop-ups on the right and left side, and then it's died in 2071. This in turn, we're looking at the monument to the pioneers, which was a gift from the UAE Space Agency. It got received in the year of 2060 to remember everyone that is space. Humans, animals, their names are engraved around it. Now, like all the artifacts you will see today, it's one of a kind, so I will kindly ask you not to leave you, but to be around if you have any questions.
Rotary to see and selecting something different. Now all I need to do is to select what I would like to learn more about and then press the button and then it will give me more information about that. So what is it called, who made it, when it was made, and what is it? So you can choose any of these artifacts to explore their own future projects within space to help.
What is gonna happen? It's actually gonna happen.
Yeah, today in 2071, it's right in front of you. Does that mean it happened or not?
It did.
What do you think? So simply to make it correct answer, everything you see today is not projections, which actually is the real project that we're working on. Just look forward to see it once it's completed, so you'll see when it is done. I love how they use it, how it's designed to be used, right? So just be gentle, move it like this, right or left. Because if you do it like this, you can just fly and hit a teddy bear. You don't want to hit a teddy bear.
Mountain band. Muhammad al-Mansuri. 27.
Right, if not, we'll try another code. You can try another. Let me see.
Maybe it's
Permission I would like to apply for.
Did you apply for a job?
He already applied.
You got it. Okay, you got the job.
He got the job.
My first job ever.
See? He's there.
Ah, there, look at the Rani.
You choose this one? Apply for it. Here you go. This is your job now. You're a culinary ambassador to Earth.
Wow, nice.
You're Mars base alpha. You're alpha.
So, what are you?
I forgot.
Okay, let's go. You want to go to the next one?
Me.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.